take deep breaths to regulate your breathing. Inhale and raise your arms above your head in upward salute or Urdhva Namaskar. Tilt slightly backward, arching your back. Look up at your hands. Exhale slowly and bend forward, placing your palms on either side of your feet and your forehead touching your knees. This is Uttanasana. Inhale and take your right leg back in a big backward step. Keep your hands firmly in place and your left foot between your hands. Tilt your head up. With a slow exhalation, move your left foot back to where your right foot is. Keep your arms straight. Raise your hips and bring your head close to the floor. Inhale deeply. Your body should form an inverted V. Do not bend your knees. This is Adho Mukha Svanasana. Exhale and lower the body to the floor. Let only the forehead, chest, hands, knees, and feet touch the floor. Inhale and lift your chest into the cobra pose and keep your arms straight and in place. Exhale and slowly raise your hips to come back to the inverted V or Adho Mukha Svanasana pose. Do not bend your knees. Inhale and move your right leg forward, placing your right foot between your hands. Tilt your head up. Exhale slowly and rise up, bringing your left foot forward to where your right foot is. See that the hands and legs are in line and your head touches the knees. Inhale and raise your arms above your head in the upward salute pose. Tilt slightly backward, arching your back. Stand firm in place. Exhale and slowly bring down your hands to your chest,